people that have assets like a home and other property, and they're reluctant to talk to an attorney like yourself to create this trust. What do you think is the reason for that? Why are they so reluctant to protect all of their assets?
I think there's lots of reasons. I think it's very confronting in some ways to have to think about this, to think about your mortality, to think about your children and your family having to navigate all of this without you. And that really weighs on people, and it only contributes to the procrastination, which is so common in people creating trusts. I think there's also still the perception that trusts are for the very rich. It conjures up images of Rockefellers and Kennedys and families that most people cannot relate to. So the idea that they're going to be creating a trust is just so outside of what they're capable of understanding. And that's a lot of what we have to do, is educate and make sure people are aware that up and down the spectrum of wealth and the spectrum of family dynamics, the trust is very often the key way to leave your estate intact, avoid your family from having to really deal with a terrible, grueling probate process.